Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? As you can probably tell right now, if you've been watching me for a little bit, I'm in an entirely new garage. This is an entirely new and different setting than what you might be used to in some of my previous videos where I'm working in the garage. This is my new place. This is my new garage. I'm super stoked about this. Over the past several years, I've been working super hard at just saving up money, setting money aside to be able to afford my own place. And over the past several weeks, it's actually happened. It's been super busy, but I managed to just complete everything. We've got everything moved. Today was kind of like one of the final days of moving most of the stuff from the garage. So I've got my wheels, I've got my tools, some boxes, everything's just pretty much laying over here right now. But what I wanted to make this quick video about is to first off show you guys the new garage and share it with you because I'm super stoked about it. Because I want to work on a new video series where I can actually build up this garage to something that is entirely my own. And to me, it's a blank canvas right now. I've got so many possibilities that I can do. I'm gonna show you guys a quick look around the garage as it is right now. It's pretty much empty. I just got my car here and some of my stuff. But I want to show you guys close up of some of the things here and then we'll talk about what we can do.
Chooky beat.
So starting over here in this corner, what I'm really excited about is that the garage has a dedicated heater. I think it's pretty quiet, but we'll see in this video what it sounds like on the microphone. And then right now the walls are, I believe, like taped and plastered. So they're ready to go, and I think these mark the studs. So if I want to put some shelves up or something, I can kind of do that. Although I want to paint it first, I think. I think just white or like an off-white kind of gray would look really good, but I'm not sure yet. And then looking up right now, that is what our lights look like. So if I turn it on, they just look like that. And one thing that I don't like is that that light is kind of a yellow color, and now this one over here is like a white LED. So I really want to change those. You might be wondering why there's a hose sticking out right here. That's because I'm running it to my aquarium's water setup. So I'm just making some reverse osmosis water for my saltwater aquarium right now, which the furnace is all in there as you might have saw. So guys, this is it. This is my new place. This is my new garage, a home for the Subi, a home for me. I wanted to make this video in particular because I want to make this garage build something that I do with you guys, because so far my YouTube's grown to 6,000, I think 600 subscribers right now, which is awesome. I'm really hoping to break 10K this year, and I hope that we can make a video series sharing the progress of my garage, which is gonna be amazing. I'm super stoked about this. So I wanted to ask you guys right away in this first video, please leave some comments down below and share with me some suggestions on things I should do with this blank slate that we've got for the garage. Now keep in mind, it's going to be kind of on a budget. Obviously I just bought this new house. I don't have now as much disposable income as I had before, where I could just put parts on the WRX, but I still have a little bit where I'll set aside each month to be able to do things, and I'm hoping that together with my YouTube channel we can make this garage something awesome. I want to do kind of the awesome budget garage build where we get like a workbench. Ideally I'd like a workbench that can roll around or move. I've got a few in mind. I've seen them where they've got like a nice worktop and drawers where I'd be able to roll it kind of here, because as you saw, there's windows, which is awesome for daytime light, and I can keep the door shut, and it's warm, and I don't have neighbors that could be walking by and curious what I'm doing, or outside noises coming in. And I could set up kind of like a rolling desk with the tripod so I could do unboxings and stuff like that. I'd also like to have kind of my detailing station where I've got all my detailing supplies. As you saw right now, it's just all sitting right over there. So I'd love to get some sort of shelving set up and organized boxes that are showing what each thing is for. So a box for the wheels, the windows, the exterior, the interior, all that. Anyways guys, quick video. I wanted to share just the garage with you. Again, like I said probably 10 times now, I'm super stoked about this. And this is it. This is just the garage. If you really want me to do kind of like an inside tour, let me know. But for now, I'm not gonna do that just because there's not much there. But I'll show you quickly what the inside kind of looks like. I'll just give a little quick peek. This is when you walk in. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here now. Don't forget to leave a comment with your suggestions so we can start getting to work on this. First thing I really want to do is change the lighting setup, but I might have a friend come who's an electrician to help with that. And then we'll think about getting painting done, or we might have to wait till spring, I'm not sure. But don't forget to leave a comment guys. As always, thank you so very much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.